Okay, hello. My name is Adrian. Welcome to the channel English with Adrian, helping you master English and discover the world. Let's talk about 10 words in Spanish and their English version and how to use them in sentences and learn a bit more about the words in general. So, soy, I am. Soy aquí, I am here. Soy uno maestro, or maestro, I am a teacher. I am in England. Soy en Inglaterra. I am. And we have, estoy and soy, but it's the same. So I am here, I am there. I am tall, I am small. I am. Oh, and remember, yo. Yo. And tengo. I have. Yo tengo. I have. I have a pen. I have a pencil. I have a book. Tengo un libro. Book. I have. Quite useful one. More util. Very useful. Tengo. I have. And quien. Who? Who said that? Quien decía esto? Who said that? Who are you? Quien estas? Who are you? ¿Quién estoy? Who am I? Who am I? Who am I? With a question. Who am I? Who? Who am I? I am the teacher. Oh, I am the teacher. Soy el maestro. I am the teacher. And you could say, I am learning. Soy aprendiendo. Aprendo. I'm not sure. No estás segura. I am learning. So, ¿qué? What? We had who, what? What is this? What is this? What does that say? ¿Qué esto dices? What is that? Donde? Where? 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 Where are you? ¿Dónde estás? Where am I? ¿Dónde soy? Where am I? At home. At home. ¿Cuándo? When? When? ¿Cuándo yo volver en México otra vez? No estás segura, en realidad. When will I go to Mexico? When will? In the future tense, will something happen? Will I go to Mexico? When will? Talk about the future. When will? When will you learn English? When will you speak English? When will you go to England? Porque. And porque is interesting because we can both have why, like porque, why, and because. Because me gusta. Like, porque es negro? Why is it black? Why is it black? Porque es more útil? Porque es un bolígrafo? Más o menos. Why am I teaching English? Porque soy maestrando Inglaterra or inglés. Porque? Because I know English. Porque yo sabes inglés. Why are you learning English? Porque estás aprendiendo inglés? Why? Porque es un idioma muy útil. Because it is a very useful language. Why? Because. And como? How? How did I say that? How did you do that? Como hacer es? How? How is my English? How is my Spanish? Como es mi español? How is my Spanish? How is your English? ¿Cómo es tu inglés? How is your English? And más, más, more, more, más o menos, more or less, more or less. Oof. I don't have much more ink. I don't have, no tengo mucho más ink. Not much. Not much. But I need, necesito, need más. More. I need more. I need more. I need more. A lot of stuff. More tiempo, time. I need more time. 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 I need more time. And lastly, aquí. Whoop. Aqui. Here. Here. We have here and there. There. Here. Aquí tienes. Here you are. Here you are. Here you are. Thank you. Gracias. Thank you. Aquí. Both in a sense of here, physically, here in England, here, or acá, here in my office. Where exactly? Here in England, here in Wolverhampton, or here in my office, or acá, exactly where, precisely. Acá, or acá in my office, or I am soy acá en mi oficina. I am here, aquí, in my office. Or you could even say aquí. Here is the word, here, or here. But when it's far away, muy lejos, far away, it's ahí. ¿Dónde es mi cinturón? Ahí. Where is my belt? Ahí. Over there. 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 Very good. And here. Very good, yeah. So we could say then, I am here in my office, in mi oficina, porque, because I am recording a video. I am here because I have, yo tengo, I have a lesson, a class. I am teaching ministrando inglés, teaching. How cool is that? Yeah. So let's go through that again. Yo, I am. Tengo, I have. I have. Quien, who? Who? Que, what? What? Donde, where? Where? Cuando, when? When? Porque? Why? Because. Why? Why is this black? Because you can read it. It is useful, more util, very useful. Como, how? How did you learn that? Como aprendí es? How did you say that? Como decir es? Como dices? Como escribe? How is it written? How do you say it? Más. M-A-S. Yeah, más. More. More. And aquí. Here. Here. In Inglaterra. Here. In England. Here in my town, mi puebla, my town. Or acá. Acá. Exactly where? In my office. In my office. How cool is that? So here and there. I.e. there. How cool is that? But if you want to keep learning English, press the subscribe button below and hit the bell notification next to it for the latest video. Until then, bye for now.